even have permits to be able to visit is pretty amazing. Yeah, there's distances without permits, you're not allowed to even operate your ship. There's a lot of protections that are put in place. Oh, here for 3 seasons, so 7 times each season. Not quite probably around.
Whoa! Whoa!
The trip amongst guys is a major deal. Yeah. Oh yeah, and you can imagine like